9 nuts to prevent leg cramps in seniors. Stronger, healthier muscles. Tired of those nagging leg cramps that keep you up at night? Imagine a life where you can enjoy your favorite activities without the fear of sudden, painful muscle spasms. This video will reveal how simple dietary changes, specifically incorporating certain nuts, can help you reclaim your comfort and mobility. Leg cramps are a frequent and often debilitating problem, especially for seniors. These sudden, involuntary muscle contractions can disrupt sleep, limit mobility, and significantly impact quality of life. But what if there was a natural way to fight back? Dietary adjustments can make a significant difference in preventing leg cramps. By focusing on specific nutrients found in certain nuts, you can support healthy muscle function and reduce the likelihood of these painful episodes. Let's explore how these nutritional powerhouses can help you. Minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium are absolutely crucial for proper muscle function. These essential nutrients play a vital role in nerve transmission and muscle contraction, ensuring your muscles work smoothly and efficiently. A deficiency in any of these minerals can contribute to leg cramps. These minerals act as electrolytes, helping to regulate fluid balance and nerve signals within the body. When these electrolytes are out of balance, muscles can become more prone to cramping. By ensuring adequate intake, you can help maintain optimal muscle health and prevent those unwanted spasms. Let's dive into the specific nuts that can help you combat leg cramps and support stronger, healthier muscles. Remember, moderation is key, and it's always best to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian before making significant dietary changes. Almonds are a fantastic source of magnesium, a mineral essential for muscle relaxation. Magnesium helps to regulate muscle contractions and prevent spasms, making almonds a valuable addition to your diet. Enjoy a handful of almonds as a snack or add them to your breakfast cereal. Magnesium deficiency is a common contributor to muscle cramps, so incorporating magnesium-rich foods like almonds can be highly beneficial. Aim for about 1 ounce of almonds per day to reap the benefits of this powerful mineral. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Reducing inflammation can support overall muscle health and help prevent cramps caused by muscle strain or injury. Walnuts are also a good source of antioxidants. Omega-3 fatty acids can help improve blood flow to muscles, further supporting their function and reducing the risk of cramping. Add walnuts to your salads, yogurt, or enjoy them as a healthy snack. Brazil nuts are an excellent source of selenium, a powerful antioxidant that protects muscle cells from damage. Selenium helps to neutralize free radicals, which can contribute to muscle inflammation and cramping. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day can provide a significant dose of selenium. Selenium plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy muscle tissue and preventing oxidative stress. This makes Brazil nuts a valuable addition to your diet for overall muscle health and cramp prevention. Cashews provide a good source of both magnesium and potassium, 2 minerals vital for muscle contraction and relaxation. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance and nerve signals, while magnesium supports muscle relaxation. This combination makes cashews a great choice for preventing leg cramps. These minerals work synergistically to ensure proper muscle function and prevent imbalances that can lead to cramping. Enjoy a handful of cashews as a snack or add them to your stir-fries for a boost of flavor and nutrients. Pistachios offer a good balance of electrolytes, including potassium, which helps regulate fluid balance and prevent cramps. Maintaining proper electrolyte balance is crucial for preventing muscle spasms, especially during exercise or hot weather. Pistachios are also a good source of fiber. Potassium helps to maintain the proper electrical signals that control muscle contractions, preventing them from becoming erratic and causing cramps. Enjoy pistachios as a healthy and satisfying snack. Pumpkin seeds are packed with magnesium and zinc, both of which support muscle function and recovery. Zinc is essential for muscle repair and growth, while magnesium helps to relax muscles and prevent spasms. These seeds are also a good source of protein. These nutrients work together to promote healthy muscle tissue and prevent cramping caused by muscle fatigue or strain. Add pumpkin seeds to your salads, yogurt, or enjoy them as a crunchy snack. Sunflower seeds are a good source of magnesium, contributing to muscle relaxation and preventing cramps. Magnesium helps to regulate muscle contractions and ensure they occur smoothly and efficiently. Sunflower seeds are also a good source of vitamin E. Incorporating sunflower seeds into your diet can help to maintain adequate magnesium levels and support overall muscle health. Sprinkle them on your salads, add them to your trail mix, or enjoy them as a snack. Chia seeds are high in magnesium and calcium, promoting strong bones and healthy muscle function. Calcium is essential for muscle contraction, while magnesium helps to regulate muscle relaxation. Chia seeds are also a good source of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients work together to support both bone and muscle health, reducing the risk of cramps and promoting overall well-being. Add chia seeds to your smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal for a nutritional boost. Lentils are a legume rich in potassium, magnesium, and fiber, supporting overall health and electrolyte balance. Fiber helps to regulate blood sugar levels, which can also contribute to muscle health. Lentils are a versatile and nutritious addition to any diet. These nutrients work together to maintain proper electrolyte balance, support healthy muscle function, and prevent cramps. Add lentils to your soups, stews, or salads for a hearty and nutritious meal. While incorporating these nuts into your diet can be incredibly beneficial, it's important to remember the importance of a balanced diet overall. Focus on consuming a variety of fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins to ensure you're getting all the nutrients your body needs. Remember to consume these nuts in moderation due to their calorie density. While they offer numerous health benefits, overconsumption can lead to weight gain. A handful of nuts per day is generally a good guideline. It's also crucial to consult with a doctor or registered dietitian before making significant dietary changes. They can help you determine the right amount of these nuts for your individual needs and address any underlying medical conditions or medication interactions that may be contributing to your leg cramps. Incorporating these nuts into your diet can significantly support muscle health and electrolyte balance, potentially reducing the frequency and severity of leg cramps. By providing your body with the essential nutrients it needs, you can help prevent those painful muscle spasms and enjoy a more comfortable and active lifestyle. By taking proactive steps to address your leg cramps through dietary changes, you can reclaim your comfort and mobility. Imagine being able to enjoy your favorite activities without the fear of sudden, painful muscle spasms. It's time to take control of your health and live life to the fullest. Ready to say goodbye to leg cramps and hello to a more active, comfortable life? Don't wait. Start your journey to stronger, healthier muscles today.